channel. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload next, which is every Monday and Friday. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another cleaning video, and I've done a clean with me before, and I did it on my messy bedroom, and I was literally just picking stuff up off the floor, because that floor, it was a nightmare. I was putting it off doing it, but I did it, and I've done a pretty good job keeping the floor clean. I've picked up stuff off floor when it's not meant to be there and put it in its correct place. But I also mentioned in that video how my desk was just as bad as the floor, if not more so. So in this video, I'm going to be cleaning my very messy desk, organising some things, throwing some stuff out, like lots of papers. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning video, and hopefully it motivates you to get cleaning and get organised. So let's get into the video. Alright, first things first, I'm just going to get rid of the bottles of hairspray that have been on my desk for ages and put them in the bathroom just to get a head start on the desk and any other things that stick out. And then I'm just going to grab a bin bag to put anything that needs to go on the rubbish in there. I can put it all in one bin bag, but of course the rest, like papers and stuff, needs to go on the recycling. Don't put things that need to go on the recycling in the rubbish bin, because then that's just harmful to the environment and landfill build up a lot quicker. So I'm just picking up a bunch of random stuff, and there's a ton of papers and there's a bunch of old binders, whatever you call them, and folders, but the majority of items on my desk is literally just paper, because back in the days when I was younger, I used so much paper to do my own thing with, and a lot of it has just gone to waste because I don't need it anymore. And just some little bits that I have cut up and I haven't been bothered to put in the recycling bin, and it has now come to this that paper is just completely covered all over my desk. And I know that there's like some white powder and stuff. I promise it's not what you think it is. I was actually washing powder. It was doing something, don't ask, and it's not what you think it is, but things happen. So just grabbing some birthday cards that are on my desk that are meant to go on the postcard section of the drawers that I have there. And as you can see, the drawers are piling up with things that aren't even supposed to go in those types of drawers. So I need to do a clean out of that. It's basically everything on my desk needs a clean out. I can't believe I've let it get to this in the span of like 4 years it's been to this point. I don't even remember. We've got like a plastic little holder thing. It was for like a spa towel, but I don't know what happened to that spa towel, so I'm not sure if I'll need that container anymore. And then we've got like this little black, isn't it an organizer? I'm really not sure what it's called, but it holds things, and it's just been hiding at the back of my desk for so long. And clearing out some more papers, and what else? Just more papers hiding everywhere on my desk. Of course, there are some bits of paper that are useful to me, but sometimes I just cannot tell the difference between the papers that are actually useful to me and the ones that aren't. I've got like a whole stack of paper that I really want to keep in case I do use more paper in the future, which I most certainly and definitely will. But hopefully after cleaning this, I'll have a better mindset for this. I've got some more things that I'm going to use in that little top left-hand corner. Not really the top, but you get what I mean. That little corner with all the drawers and stuff. And there's a ton of things hiding under my computer, more papers and power cords and things like that. My Fitbit always stays on my desk no matter what, and just so many papers. It is insane how much paper I've used over the years. I haven't been bothered to put in the recycling bin. Like, I cannot believe what had become of me. Of course, I did stop and look at some bits of paper that I thought may possibly be useful to me, but the majority of it wasn't. And now I'm just going to do an organizational clear out of the drawers. And so I've done that, and then there's that little blue tub, and there's a whole bunch of folders there that I never really use, and honestly probably never will. And there's my little supermarket thing that I made many years ago. That is staying, of course. I'm not getting rid of that. And I managed to find my harmonica in that. I've been looking for that for years, and I finally found it. And I found a whole bunch of other stuff that I've been looking for years, but I've gotten lost in the pile of mess That's what happens with mess. You find things that you've been looking for years and you're so happy you finally found it. I've just done a clear out of the drawers. That part didn't catch the camera, so that's why I cut that bit out. Then just doing some more clear outs, just organising that part of the desk, because I've never really truly set up the desk. It's kind of just been a mess station. Now we're working on the top parts, and there's some folders and stuff on there. There's some boxes that I haven't been bothered to put out, and a dirty cloth. Yuck. Got a toy safe that I don't know the combination for. There's a whole bunch of things on the top that shouldn't be there, but the top of course is cleaner than the actual desk part. I managed to clear out the majority of things in those drawers and stuff, because none of it was basically letters or anything. I just cleared the majority of stuff out. So then we did a top clean out, and now I'm working on the drawers. That's where all the postcards and letters are, and there's an old hairdryer that doesn't work anymore. And then in here, so much stationery that I need to organise. It is literally insane how much stationery there is. There's so many paddle pop sticks, so many pencils. I don't need all that stuff. It's just gonna be cluttered everywhere, and I will not have enough things to put them in. So I definitely need to organise that and decide what pencils I need and what pencils I don't, and paintbrushes, of course. I'm just organising those on the floor. And then the next one, that's even worse. It's got old papers. It's got a pair of shorts in it, for crying out loud. Clearing out some more papers, and there's more stationery in there that needs to be organised. I can't believe I've let that all build up. When I've been cleaning my room before I did that big clean out of my room, I would usually just stuff everything in the drawers, forget about it. When I move out, of course, I'm gonna have to worry about those eventually, so why not do it now? So I'm just organising all those things on the floor, going through more papers, taking a trip down to the recycling bin, and then, funnily enough, that's the whole desk cleared out of stuff that I don't need. So I'm just cleaning it, all that white powder off with spray bottle and a cloth. I finally did like a deep clean of the desk, finally. My computer a good clean after not cleaning it for like 2 years. Just cleaning everything, organising it, and putting some things that I actually want in that little blue thing. And this is a new desk. I finally have a good place where I can put things properly and work at. Now my desk is way more organised. When I moved into this place, I think I didn't fully unpack everything. I just shoved it all on the desk. And I know, I keep telling myself, I'm going to clean this desk out. I will. And I've been putting off for years, but I'm so glad I finally did it. And I'm just putting things where I particularly want and that I need. And I cannot believe how much stuff I got rid of. It's just insane how much stuff there was that I didn't need. And just putting some things like some papers, clapperboard, lights in that little black thing. And then funnily enough, I was done. So there's my whole desk, and I'm so proud of myself for pushing, finally allowing myself to get up and clean my desk. I cannot believe I did that, and overall it is just more organised now, and I feel so happy. This has been my goal for many years, and I have finally achieved it. So that is it for this cleaning video on my very messy desk, which is finally clean now. I've been meaning to do this for ages, years in fact, ever since I moved into this house. The desk got bad in just like a few months, and it's finally clean and I have a normal desk. So happy I've finally done it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and this inspired you and helped you to get up and get cleaning if there's a particular spot in your house that is really messy or anything. Hope it helped. So be sure to comment down below what other types of videos you want me to do on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.